We at Sri Prakash Developers, backed by 25 years of experience, bring to you La Regalia. Set in the golden triangle of Mumbai and Pune, Nasik is where the future is. A sustainable infrastructure, wide roads with abundance of water resources and nature, the city promises growth. Located on the Ambad-Satpur Road, 3 kilometers away from Mumbai-Agra Highway, just 10-minute drive from the city, La Regalia is the new face of Nasik's modern living. Spread over 15 acres, these 8 towers offer homes to suit every lifestyle and every pocket, a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom flat. For those with higher aspirations, we offer penthouses on the 7th and the 8th floors of every tower. Each tower is provided with ample parking for your vehicles. La Regalia also offers some of the finest amenities. Eye-pleasing landscape gardens are spread over the entire project and dotted with children's play areas. The community hall at La Regalia is designed to suit and cater to your social gatherings and get-togethers. A walking track adjoining the community hall for a breath of fresh air. The well-designed clubhouse incorporates a swimming pool for that refreshing dip and a gymnasium for the health-conscious. The clubhouse eventually will also include an eatery, a cafeteria, and a modern guest house. As you walk into the lobby, you will feel that life is continuous here. The constant hum of electricity assures you an uninterrupted supply backup for all the common facilities. Whether you are choosing a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom flat, there are no corners cut here. Right from the spacious living room to the modular kitchen to the comforts of the bedrooms, great care has gone in ensuring a complete living experience. The modular kitchen welcomes the light and brightness of sunlight as long as it lasts. Adequate lighting and extra points take care of all your cooking gadgets and equipment. All the flats at La Regalia will let you bask in the open freshness of nature. The spacious living room throws open the entire vista of greenery that surrounds you from all 3 sides of your flat. The bedrooms are so well placed so as to give you an uninterrupted view of the greenery from all 3 sides. Relaxing takes on a new meaning here. If you have opted for a penthouse, you will have an exclusive view of the breathtaking beauty of the surrounding hills, where the clouds caress the hilltops, taking you to a new experience of living. La Regalia is not just a township, but a place where you will make your own home, a home that will define who you are, different from the rest, an embodiment of culture and class. La Regalia is an excellent investment opportunity considering the exponential growth Nasik has been witnessing and the promise Nasik holds. Come to La Regalia today. You will be happy that you made the choice.